Linear regression is made up of two components, which is linear and regression, where linear means a single straight line and regression means finding relation between two variable or components. It means trying to predict a continuous values like marks, prices or temperature etc. According to the figure shown, linear regression means prediction using best fit straight line. Predicting house prices from area, location and number of rooms, which means house prices are differ based on the locality of rural or urban, how much area acquired for the house and basic features of the house like how many rooms it has and what are the facility it has. Predicting salary based on experience and education. It means it will predict your expected salary based on what degree you have and how much practical knowledge and skills you have. भाई आपका knowledge तो कमाल का है भाई. Predicting rainfall from temperature and humidity means prediction of rain is often calculated by how temperature of weather changes and also change in humidity which can cause rainfall. Simple linear regression consists of one dependent and one independent variable. But what does that mean? It means if we take a linear function, suppose y equal to function of x. Wow! Beautiful! Now here the x will be the independent variable, which means input or cause. And y is the dependent variable, which means the output or the effect caused by the independent variable. ये कैसे हो गया? है? Let's take an example of a couple to understand it better. If we put y equal to function of x equation in a relationship, then the girl's happiness will be depend upon boy's communication or efforts. According to the equation, the more the boy put in efforts, the more the girl feels happy.
ठीक है, तो सुधर जाओ, सुन लो मेरी बात, ठीक है? थोड़े मैनर्स सीख लो, एटिकेट सीख लो, तमीज सीख लो.
In this equation, the independent variable is the boy's communication, means how much effort the boy is putting in.
पढ़ाई लिखाई में ध्यान लगाओ, IAS बनो और देश को संभालो.
And dependent variable is girl's happiness, which depends on how much and how well the boy talks.
Babu!
Resulting in if boy talks much, the girl becomes happy. And if boy talk less, the girl becomes eventually less happy. If we convert this equation in a practical form, the equation look like this: y equal to mx plus c, which is also called the equation of line. Here, the y is the dependent variable, m is the slope of line, x is independent variable, and c is called y-intercept or constant. Let's plot this equation in a simple 2-axis graph. Here, the y-axis is called girl's happiness in times and x-axis will be the boy's efforts in hours. Means how many hours of effort is the boy putting in to make his girl happy. Let's say we have some data of past how the boy put efforts to make her girl happy. Now, on the basis of these data points, we can draw a prediction line. But which prediction line is the correct one? The answer is the line we draw is not just a random line. It's the line that minimizes the error or the distance of the actual data points and the line itself. Huh? The final best fit line eventually be this line. Now, the vertical distance between data points and prediction line is called residual or errors, which is the difference between actual value and predicted value. And if we make a square of each residual, then every square is called the mean squared error.
Are you committing me?
Now, the prediction line that made is also called slope, which is also called tan theta, denoted by the letter m. The angle theta is formed between hypotenuse and base, where the base of the angle denotes to x-axis or boy's efforts.
बंद करो हाथ जोड़ के मैं.
And perpendicular of the angle is called y-axis or girl's happiness. The c in the equation is called constant, which comes from intercepting of slope in y-axis. The distance between origin and y-intercepting is called constant. The outcome summary of this equation is if boy makes 4 hours of efforts, the girls get little happy as showing in the graph. The example is taken in a perspective of an ideal girl, which is impossible and has no connection to reality.